The graphics chip is all jacked up.
Oh, no,
I think it's recording.
Yeah, I want one instead.
Smash it! Smash it! Smash
Microsoft isn't very good.
Did you press?
Yeah, it's on.
Because it don't work. I'm not about
It's on right now.
Did you press the little red button?
Yeah. What's up? My name is Caesar. Oh, he's breaking it. Microsoft stinks that bad. Ow, that hit myself. Ow. That really hurt. Ah!
Rocky. You're funny, Zeke. You like me? I think he does.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Zeke hitting his Xbox 360 because it stinks that bad. Oh yeah, rock on!
We'll ask if it's on YouTube.
I am too. Okay, how do you do it now?